Wrong answers only. What is the full form of CEO?
प्राइम मिनिस्टर.
What is 2 plus 2?
5.
वो अलग ही लेवल का बंदा था.
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
अनिल कपूर.
What's the office lunch timing?
9:30.
डिप्रेशन.
What comes after A?
शी.
Who make tea coffee every day?
अंकल.
What do you need to open a bottle? Plastic.
अच्छा ठीक है.
From when rain comes?
Summer.
कमाल कर दिया आपने.
Where the fish lives?
Sky.
Why you are doing job here?
फॉर टाइम पास.
बापू जा रहा बोले जा रहा.
What is the color of sky?
रेड.
Which day comes after Monday?
Sunday.
What is your name?
Rajeshwari.
You really need leave on weekend?
નો.
ભૂખ લાગે ત્યારે શું કરો?
Nachu.
What are you working on right now?
React.
ચીટિંગ કરતા હે તું.
તરસ લાગે ત્યારે શું કરો?
દારૂ પીવું.